Nivedita. Nivedita, also called Sister Nivedita, originally Margaret Elizabeth Noble, was born October 28, 1867, Dunnigan, Northern Ireland. She was a school teacher and was a follower of the spiritual leader Swami Vivekananda. She later became an influential spokesperson promoting national consciousness, unity, and freedom. Margaret met Vivekananda when he visited England in 1895, and she was attracted to the universal principles of Vedanta and to Vivekananda's humanistic teachings. Accepting him as her guru before he left England in 1896, she worked for the Vedanta movement in England until she came to Bharat in 1898. Her great level of devotion compelled Vivekananda to give her the name Nivedita, which means dedicated one. She came to Bharat primarily to help Vivekananda realize his plans to educate women, and she opened a small school at Kolkata in Bengal, where she tried to blend Bharatiya traditions with Western ideas. She closed the school in 1898 to raise funds abroad before returning in 1902 and reopening it. The following year, she added courses to train young women in arts and crafts in addition to basic academic subjects. Nivedita also made notable efforts to serve the poor of Calcutta and Bengal during times of plague, famine, and floods. Following Vivekananda's death in 1902, Nivedita turned her attention more towards Bharat's political emancipation. She objected strongly to the partition of Bengal in 1905, and as part of her deep involvement in the revival of her art, supported the Swadeshi movement that called for the boycott of imported British goods in favor of domestically produced handmade goods. She continued to give lectures in Bharat and overseas, promoting our arts and our education for women. Nivedita's tireless activity, austere lifestyle, and disregard for her own welfare eventually caused her health to fail, and she died at the age of 44. Poet Rabindranath Tagore, one of her close friends, summed up that sentiment when, after her death, he referred to her as the mother of the people. Her school continued in operation in the early 21st century in present-day Kolkata under the management of Ramakrishna Sharada Mission. Jai Hind.